and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing another strand color test, none other than our orange red. So if you're looking forward to see how our orange red henna looks on your hair, you came to see the right video. We'll be doing all sort of colors, hair strands with our orange red. Now we have already mixed the orange red henna, left it out overnight, and we're going to be applying right in. Now if you're looking for a video how to mix orange red henna, please click on the link down below and our video will show you how you exactly need to mix it. Now let's go and do our applications. So we do have our darkest color, which is the dark brown to black, as you can see, and you're able to see how the color comes out on dark color. Our next one is our brown highlight with honey blonde. So you can see it has two-tone hair colors in them. Our next one is hair that's similar to bleached hair. So this is definitely a really good hair strand to test out how the color will take. Our next one is the medium brown with dark brown highlights. The next lightest is the Plantainian Blonde. You can also almost think of as almost gray hair and how that color will look. Here's another form of dark brown. It is a little bit of the lighter version of dark brown, but if you have similar hair color, you will know how the hair color will take into your hair. And lastly, we have is light brown hair. So we are going to take our dye here and apply it right on. Again, there is no specific method how to do the application. We are using a hair applicator brush to apply it. You can also use your gloved fingers. You may want to make sure you do use gloves. Henna does tend to stain your hands. Right here, started off with the light brown, so we can be able to see a little bit of the orange tint after our 3 hours application here. All right, so let's go next to our dark brown. With this application, we'll be also able to see how henna does take onto dark color hair. Usually you cannot go lighter in color. You can always go darker with henna. And that's just the way henna works. If you do have dark brown to jet black hair and you want to use this form of henna or any other, the recommendation we would have is to mix it with lemon juice instead of coffee or water, and it helps to not drastically but just a little bit to give you that tint into your dark color hair tone. Now the Plantainian Blonde, just like I said mentioned, can say is equivalent to gray hair, so this definitely will be more vibrant color. All right, let's jump into the medium brown with these highlights here. So it won't show as much on the medium browns as much as the henna will show where the highlights are. Next one is our bleached hair. Definitely if you recently bleached your hair, you will be able to see what color the henna takes into your hair as well. Now you may need to do at least 2 applications on your bleached hair due to the fact that henna tends to repair your hair first and then start giving you the color. All right, let's go to the brown with the honey blonde. All right, let's go to the most darker strand we have. Again, it won't be much as a different, but if you have washed our light brown hair, you've seen that there was slightly a difference with the light brown. Even though this hair is already dark, it was more richer in color. So let's see how this one comes out. All right, so we are back after applying orange red for 48 hours. So let's go and see the results. Here is our dark brown. Right here is the original color. Now there isn't much difference, but still you can see that the dark brown with the orange red came a little bit darker and richer. Let's go to our light brown. So this is the original light brown right here. And when we applied the orange red, this is how it comes. Look how rich it is. The next one was the Plantainian Blonde. So you can also equivalent to if you have any gray hair, and this is how the orange red will turn out. But don't worry, you can do another step if you want to have a darker tone on this. All right, so here is the darkest one hair color, which was the dark brown to black. You wouldn't be able to see a slight, actually you'll be able to see a slight difference, but probably not on your whole hair. But you can see right here, this was the original color, and you can see by applying the red orange how rich it became. So not just the richness, but then you will also feel the softness and healthier as well. The next one is if you have any bleached hair, this is how the orange red will come out too. Again, if you feel like this is too light for you and you want to go a little bit darker, you can always do a second application, mixing it with black brewed coffee will help the color darken a little bit. The next one is medium brown with dark blonde highlights. So you can see right here how this was right here with the medium brown and then the highlights here. Now look at this orange red. Look at the magic that it did. So beautiful. So the last one is the brown with the honey blonde highlights. So since you can see the darker color with the lighter color, and when you apply the red orange, you can still see, you'll still have highlights in your hair. But look at that, that's so gorgeous. I think it looks pretty. Again, if you want to go a little bit darker on this, you can always do another application. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Orange red has been served.